How to close your Payoneer account. So first you want to head to payoneer.com and then sign into your account that you want to close. Next, you want to click on your profile on the top right side here. And then you want to click on Support Center. Now it will take you to the support page. Now in this page, click on the search bar and then type close account and then press the ask button and wait for it to bring the link for you. And here is the answer. First, you will need to withdraw any funds that are on your account currently, and the account or the linked funding sources will be deassociated and you can't link them again on another account. The email as well can be used to sign up for another account, and it will bring up this link right here. For closing accounts, you can click on it to take you to another page where you can submit a form. And in here, you want to specify, please tell us why you're closing your account, the reason. For example, I decided to use a different platform. And are you planning to use any of existing funding sources with another Payoneer? You can't actually, but you have to say no here. And then if you have any Payoneer cards, you will need to specify the last 4 digits here, otherwise the bank account last 4 digits, and your date of birth. And then you can leave any feedback here if you want to, but it's not necessary. You can click on I'm not robot and then just submit the form. Now all you need to do is wait after submitting the request, and they should manually process it and close your account and then get back to you via email if they need anything. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.